Miggy. Go mommy's room. Okay, then you put it here.
I know. One here.
No. Oh yeah, here. I think it's here.
So there's this one passenger?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, there is.
And then one.
There is one.
Let me see. Oh wait. We put this in the wrong one. This one actually goes over here. The third one. Then this one goes over here. And then the other one goes in front. Good job. Push. And that one, the white one.
Yeah?
Is it that one or the other one? They're both. Let's see. Yeah, it's that one. So it goes over here.
Yeah. There's two of them. There's another one.
Yeah, you have to put the other one the other side. Push. Oh.
Whoa.
So you have to hold it. Okay. Now you get a white one. Two of them. And then you put it where? No, here.
Here. You hold it.
It's still sideways. You make sure you push it in.
Oopsie.
Push. Good job. Then the long ones, the long white ones, where does it go? On the plane. Good job.
I need to do it with two hands.
Yeah. Make sure you line it up. No, it's not like there. You make sure it's lined up. There. There. Nakita mo? What? Wait, Cassy. Okay, push. So now we need the blue ones, the big, no, not that one, the box. 2 boxes, yeah. It goes over the tail of the plane.
Yeah?
Here. Other way, other way. Other way. See? Go. Other way.
You mean the other one, you mean?
Yeah. Push. Good job.
You're a good listener.
Next one is the one with the windows.
You're a good teacher.
Thank you.
Here. Here. Oopsie daisy.
Okay, more. There's 6 of them.
Oh.
Make sure you push it properly.
Even the pilot gets a 1 too.
What?
This window too for the pilot.
Yeah.
Even, but who's gonna cover this side?
You just wait.
Look, he helped me.
Here's a trick. You have to push it in first.
And the pilot and all of the people can see on the window.
Okay, where's the more here on this side?
Oh. But there's only 2 more left. But there's only 3 more left.
Yeah, you only need 3. The other way. it properly. Other way.
Oopsie daisies. Okay, I didn't put my hamster there.
Other way. Other way.
Sorry. Is this an extra eye?
Mm-hmm. What's next?
I see another eye there. I see 2 eyes there.
Okay, we're focusing on one bag first, okay? Yellow. Okay, wait. We're doing bag number 2.
Oh, one more bag.
Yeah, open it.
Yeah.
Ay, the other minion now.
Okay. Oh, a banana, but he needs to hold these things.
Yeah, so you need to do the hands first.
Mommy, can you help me?
It's the other. Oh, yeah, that's it.
Oh, never mind. Oopsie, I dropped it.
There are 2 minions.
This one's the passenger. There's 2 minions.
Oh, there's one more. See?
That's the head.
Oh, yeah, that's the head. Sorry.
Mommy. Where's the eye? One green eye. And one brown eye. There's 2 different colors.
Yeah. And then you need a banana and a little gun. Or the little gun is the gray one, and then you have to put the green one.
It's balls.
Oh, it's balls?
Yeah. It's ball blaster. Look.
I think it's the other. Oh, yeah, it's right. Yeah, that's right. Here.
But it says you have to push more.
Yeah. No, that's it. Is it in? Yeah, that's fine.
But look.
No, here. Look at this one. See, look at this one.
Yeah, but
Yeah, that's right.
are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
But I thought so he needs to hold these and then he holds these because he needs help.
Okay, and then you put the banana on the other hand.
Yeah, a banana blaster.
Okay, now you need a white one. So you can put it together with that minion. Now you need a white one. Here.
Maybe we need to spread it out because we can
Yeah. Not that much. You can find it. Okay. So you need this one. And then 2 yellow ones.
One here. One here.
And a black one.
One here.
Okay, now you copy this.
Middle.
Good job.
And one there. You're a good teacher,
You
Mom.
push it in. And then you need a blue one.
You're a good teacher.
Thank you. You need 2 blue ones on the side. No. Here, like this.
Oh.
See, and the other one goes on the other side. No, other side. This side. No, where your finger is. This side.
Oh.
Other way. Other way. Other way. This way.
Okay.
Push it in. Then another one. 2 more on the other side.
Wrong one.
Push it in.
So what are these?
So now you put it here at the tail of the plane.
Oh, so this is
Other way. This way.
oh, sorry.
Yeah, that way. And push it in the red one. Push it, put it in the red one.
Can you help me?
Push it.
Never mind.
There. See, now you can open and close. See?
Cool!
Now,
Even this one that you can open and close. So you
we'll see what happens. Now you need 4 of these.
Mommy, look, it's super strong.
Yeah, that's the tires. So you
Oh.
need 4 of the white ones.
For the white one.
This one, like this one, 4 of that.
Ta-da!
4. Where's the other one? Oh, there.
Silly me.
And then you put it at the tail here. 1, 2 here and 2 here. No. Other way, like this.
Oh. Ah! Mommy, look, 2 extra eyes.
Yeah, come on, you do this first.
2 here. The same. Again.
You have to push it in.
Oh.
Other way, other way.
Oopsie.
Okay.
Other one. It's like 2. It's like 2 here and 2 here and 2 here and 2 here.
Mm. Push. Okay. And then 1 yellow one and 1 blue one. Okay, now it goes up here. 1 yellow here. There, and then in front of it is that. Other way, other way. No, like this.
Oh, I got it. I can't reach.
Good. Okay,
Can't.
you see?
Oh, it's it. Can you help me?
Yeah. Push. Okay. Then you need a little, looks like a little ladder. 2 of them.
It is a ladder.
This one.
No, wait, that's
Oh,
the
here.
stairs.
And
Those
it
are
goes
the.
over here.
Those are the. Oh, those are not the stairs.
Over here.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Which way?
Mm-hmm.
This way?
Mm-hmm. Other way, the other way. Other way, like this way. Cassy, look what you're doing. That's the wrong way. Now, you get the big blue one.
Cover. This?
No, not yet. Then you get the red one, yellow one. I mean white one. In the middle. They're in the middle there. No, no, no. In the middle of the white. There. Not yet. No, no, no. No, no, Cassie, you need the brown one.
Oh, so this one's extra one?
No, that's for after. So you follow that. Push it. Push it. Press it.
I did.
Okay. And then 2 white ones.
One.
Okay, put it beside the brown one. Okay. Good job. And then the white one, the big white one. This one at the very end. Good job.
So now we're
Very good. And the gray one. Gray one like this. Put it at the end. Put it over here. Yeah. And then the blue one on top of it.
Look, Mommy.
Yeah, come on.
It's hard, Mommy. Can you help me?
You're not paying attention. That's why. And then 2 blue ones, the long ones. Put it over here.
Here?
Yeah. Other one.
Side?
Good job. And then a small blue one at the end of it. Here.
I knew it's here. Your hands are turning red when you press it.
Okay. And then it goes on top.
Here?
Yep. This, it goes on the wing of the plane. Right there.
Here?
Yeah, at the end. So if you go like this, it goes over here. There. And then the other one there. No, no, back. Here. No, at the back. Yeah, this one.
Miggy!
It's okay, Cassy.
Miggy.
Okay. And then the 2 gray ones.
Where?
This one.
Oh.
I think, yeah. Goes over here.
One.
Other way. Other way.
Oh, sorry.
Like this, like this. There, see? And the other one goes over there. Other way, other way. There. No, push it.
Sorry. Sorry.
Okay. Now you need green and red.
Red and red. Look,
Yeah.
red means stop.
So the red, yeah.
Red?
The green one goes here.
Okay.
And the red one goes there.
Okay. See?
Okay. Almost there. This one. 2 of these white ones. This. It goes over here. You clip it there.
I
Push.
can't. I
Push
can't.
more. It didn't. Oh yeah.
Ah! You popped it out!
Because you didn't push it more. Push it properly. No, the other way.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, that way.
Just no,
It has to click. Need help? Here. There, has to click. Oh, the other one.
try.
Other way, other way.
Oh, Jesus. How do I do that?
This way. This way. You push it.
So that's why there was
Okay.
2 boxes?
Okay, then you need the yellow.
Yeah.
This yellow here.
Oh, these ones?
Yeah, and then the yellow one with the hole. This one. Yeah, the one. And it goes
Look,
here.
these small ones and these big ones?
It goes one. The big one's here.
Can you help me put the big one on?
Push it on the other here. There.
Are you sure it's supposed
No, that's a small one. Like that. Pushes in one.
Oh, the big ones. I thought the big ones go there and the small ones go here.
No. And then the other side, yeah.
But you said the small ones go here and the big ones go there.
No. Push it.
Oh, it's not the right way.
No, it's the right way. You have to put it properly so it push properly. Okay, go.
This. I have to quick hurry up because
Yeah.
it's almost my time.
And then you need this one, 2 of the white ones. You turn the plane around. You put it. Where does it go? Here. One here. Other way.
Here?
Mm-hmm. And then the other one on this side. Okay. No, not yet. Then you need that one. 2 of them. And it goes like this. Right.
So we need 3 of them?
No, just 2.
But I got 2.
There's an extra one. There. So put the other one here. No, no, other way. Like this way. Yeah, that way. And then you get the big wheels. And put them in. No, no. No, Cassy. Like this. Yeah,
So these ones are...
that's for later.
Oh. Can you help me?
You just put it, push it in. Then that one, 2 of them goes over here. Here. No, 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 no. This way. This way. Like that. You have to look at the picture, Cassy, so you know what it looks like. There. And then, oh, not that one. And then, one more of these. It goes at the front. No, other way, Cassy. No, turn it around.
Oh, so this one goes on.
Yes. There.
Oh, never mind.
then the tail, I flip this, it goes here. No, here. This way. Put it, push it. Push it, Cassy.
Oh. Sorry.
Yeah, and now that's your first Lego build.
Now how are we gonna open this? Hi guys, this is my first Lego build. These are minion. This is the pilot minion. This is curvy like this. And this one's the minion with like shoot, 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 shoot.
It's
shoot.
Bob and Stewart.
And then now we're gonna open it. How you open this, mommy?
Oh, from the back. Yeah. Or you can also go like that, so they can sit there. And this one.
Let's put these in here, cause they can, cause he can put, cause they can put these at the back.
That's their luggage.
Yeah, and the luggage, and look at this.
You close it.
No, wait, we forgot.
No, close this.
Oh,
Now, who's gonna be the pilot? Oh,
of course he is, cause you see.
oh
he's
yeah.
not-
Okay, then you can go there. Pilot is standing up. Ooh. Okay. And then the passenger.
Stands up too.
Yeah, so Stewart is the pilot.
Wait,
And
her
then
name
Bob.
is Stuart?
No, this one's Stewart. And then that one's Bob.
Okay.
Bob.
So Bob is the pilot?
No, Bob is the passenger. Stewart is the pilot. Wait. There. So now we put this back. And there's your minion.